All right, Georgia Sports Cards here. We are doing number 13 of this number break for Futera, 2016 Futera, guys. Good luck. Okay, number break number 13. There are, if you go, here's a checklist for Futera so you guys can check out. Number 13. Good luck, guys. Numbers and names will be random. Numbered and names. So 7 times we're going to do the top box. Odd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bama on top. Will at the bottom.
Us farther away from the end goal, which is making the communities in this country a better place.
There you go.
That's something that's hard for this country.
And the numbers, guys, 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 on top, 4 at the bottom.
We can fix them, and we can make this country and these communities a better place.
Let's get these in order. All right, we got Bama 1, Will 2, Groups 3, Will 4, Robert 5, Oak House 6, Bama 7, David at 8, No Sauce 9, and Groups at 10.
I'm actively in these communities, as well as donating the first.
He's going to get 4 again.
To different organizations to help these communities and help these people. It was something I was thinking about to try to make sure that I'm not just talking about something, but I'm actively being involved and actively trying to make a change in these communities. And I've been very blessed to be in this position and be able to make the kind of money I do. And I have to help these people. I have to help these communities. It's not right that they're not put in the position to succeed.
There you go, Mike. All
All
right, we're going to do top box. Good luck, guys.
I love America. I love people. That's why I'm doing this. I want to help make America better. And I think having these conversations helps everybody have a better understanding of where everybody is coming from. And those conversations are important to have because the better we understand each other.
Will, I'll do that for you right now, man. Let me just, after this break, I'll just start your message.
With each other, which ultimately puts everybody in a better position.
All right, guys, good luck. All right, good luck, guys. We got Radamel Falcao. That is 8. Going to David. Diego Maradona. Going to 0. Groups. Edison Cavani. Going to 5. 5 is Rob. Thiago Silva. 6. 6 going to Oak House. Tomas Muller. 0 going to Grooves. On camera. 0. Marcelo going to 8. Going to David. Daniel De Rossi. 5. Going to Rob. The camera's not focusing, man. There you go. 5. Aaron Robin. 4. Going to Will. Angel Correa. Going to 2. That is Will. Wesley Schneider. Going to 7. Is Bama. Shervenko. Going to 5. That is Rob. Defender Pepe. And nice little duel. Wesley Schneider and Johan Cruyff. Dual game used jerseys. That is numbered. 20 of 50 for Groobs. That is. Card features a piece of Schneider's Real Madrid's away game worn jersey from the Champions League match versus Olympiacos from 2007. A piece of Cruyff's LA Aztecs training worn jersey from the 79-80 season. There you go, Groobs.
Chances that he winds up the starting quarterback at some point this season, because it looks like Blaine Gabbert has the edge to start. I do think Blaine has the edge, but I do think
and Pepe was 2. William Freeman 2. All right, good luck. We got John Stones. 100. That is Groobs. Sergio Busquets. 4. Going to Will. Pele. Going to 2. And Will. Andres Iniesta. Going to 2. That's for Will. Our next hit, good luck. Nice. Karim Benzema for France. Benzema jersey. That is numbered. 44 of 99. That is for Will. Features a piece of Benzema's Real Madrid game-worn jersey from La Liga match 16th of March 2013 and a piece of the matchday program from the same game. 44 of 99. Benzema. First up on the last one was 81. Muto as Bama. Next we got Klaus John. 4. Going to Will. Gary Cahill. Going to 7. Bama. Pablo Zabaleta. 0. Going to Groobs. Griezmann. Going to 0. That is Groobs. Lewandowski and Xavi. Ooh, nice. 1, 2, 3, 4 colors. Xavi. Let's get a little focus. There you go. Piece of his Xavi's Barcelona game-worn number 6 jersey from La Liga match 2012-13 season. Xavi. Nice. Number 2. There you go, Will. That's one, Will. 32 of 59. All right, we got Wayne Rooney. That is 6. 6 is Oakhouse. Shalini. 8. Going to David. Next, we got Aaron Robin. That's 4. Will. Yeah, it just depends on the player. The better the player, about $10. You know, the no names. Maybe get $1 for them. 6. Oakhouse. Rafael Varane. 7. 7 is Bama. Maradona. 0. Went to Grooves. That is Mesut Ozil. 8. Going to David. Gilberto Silva. 6. Going to Oakhouse. Vidal. Going to 9. 9 is No Sauce. Angel Di Maria. 6. Going to Oakhouse. And Paul Gascon. Heritage. That is numbered 19 of 50. That's going to No Sauce.
Best club I've ever joined. Quality products.
If you have moderate to severe plaque psoriasis, time to let the
Ibrahimovic. That is 5. Going to Rob. Alexander Mitrovic. And our next hits. Nwanko Kanu. Nwanko. That is 9. 59 of 99. As for No Sauce, card features Kanu's West Brom's game-worn jersey from Premier League match versus West Ham United, May 2006. 59 of 99. And then I have a couple base from the last box. Lewandowski was 7. 7, that's Bama. And Mitrovic was 5. 5 was Rob. That's box. Good luck. So we got a silver and a hit in the back. We got Falcao. 8. Going to David. Javier Zanetti. Going to 9. No Sauce. Pedro. Going to 3. Grooves. Some focus. We go Grooves. Memphis Depay. Going to 5. Rob. Angel Correa. Going to 2. William Freeman. Daniel De Rossi. Going to 5. That is Rob. Gianfranco Sola. And our silver is Ashley Williams. Zola is 0. 0 is Grooves. Ashley Williams. That is numbered 13 of 21. 13. That is Grooves. Grooves some silver, number to 21. He's not in the room. He bought him, unless he is. He bought the spot this morning. Well, there's only silver parallels and gold parallels, so it's the only parallels they have in the product. The one-on-ones are production proofs. PK, we haven't pulled out production proof yet. 23. 3 is Grooves. Esteban Cambiaso. 4. 4 is William Freeman. Neuer is 5. 5 is Rob. Edison Cavani is 5. Robert. Andre Scherl and Alexis Sanchez for Chile. Sherl is 4. That's William Freeman. Features a piece of Sanchez's Arsenal training worn number 17 jersey from 14-15 season. Gonna go to 14. That's 4 and William Freeman. 14. There you go, Break. Appreciate it, guys.